Alright, so now we have some knowledge of HTML. Generally, HTML helps us structure our code, and it generally has some basic styling. By that, I mean there is a basic styling of the text. Headers are big and bold, paragraphs have a certain look, italics look like italics. But in a website, to make it beautiful, to beautify the website, we need CSS, standing for Cascading Style Sheet. So by default, if you look at a web page without CSS, there is a basic styling, like I said. But on a proper website, you will have a combination of HTML and CSS. So the CSS is what brings out the life of the website. However, CSS is a rule-based language. Now, according to the Mozilla documents, Cascading Style Sheets define rules by specifying group of styles that are applied to particular elements or group of elements. I know that sounds, a lot of information, but let me give an example. Here we have multiple elements. We have the header, we have the paragraph, you have the body. In the CSS declaration, you have the element targeted. In this case, we have strong. And then within the curly brackets, you have the property and then the value. The property is on the left and the value is on the right. For each text or information within the strong element, give the property color a value medium purple. So let us go to the code and see what this will cause. We have some text within the strong element. We also have the CSS style in the head tag. Just as you saw in the example before, this style has a declaration saying that for the strong element, give the property color a value medium purple. The resulting effect is that any text surrounded by strong will have a color value of medium purple. It is very straightforward. But don't worry, we will have more examples where you can play around with it.